So today we're going to be discussing evaluating algebraic expressions. What you need to remember about expressions is you can't solve them. Unlike an equation, there is no equal sign in the actual expression, so there's nothing to actually solve for. You can only evaluate and simplify. In this video, we are going to discuss how to evaluate an algebraic expression where you are given multiple variables that you have to input for. So if we look at this first one, 7 parenthesis x plus 4 parenthesis minus 4 to the second power. I'm going to rewrite that. And I'm going to input my variables where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So I have 7, 3 plus 4 minus 4 squared. Now, it is just order of operations from here. So I'm going to do my grouping symbols first, the parentheses. So I have 7 times 7, because 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 4 squared. My next order of operation would be the exponent. So I'm going to do 7 times 7 minus 4 squared, which is 16. Then I'm going to do my multiplication where I get 49 minus 16. And last but not least, I do my subtraction and I get 33. And that's how I evaluate that expression. Now, if we take a look over here at 5 plus x over 6 minus y, I'm going to do the same first step. I'm going to input for the variable. So I have 5 plus 3 over 6 minus 2. Now, this is acting as a grouping symbol. So I gotta do on top and bottom before I can even think about doing the actual division. This division bar acts as our grouping symbol. So I do 5 plus 3 and I get 8. And then I get 6 minus 2, which is 4. Now I'm going to do the actual division where I would get 2. If you have any questions, please email your teacher with them.